Welcome to our channel. How to start solar energy business without investment. Let me see what are the opportunities available in the solar industry. What are the potential available in our industry. How next 30 years solar industry going to be a dominant in the entire world. All those things we are going to discuss in this webinar. So please join. Yeah, so this is our Almi Solar based on Chennai. In Government of India, Ministry of New Renewable Energy, there is an office memorandum. So in 2015 to 2022, 1 lakh megawatt. This is what government aimed. So grid connection 1 lakh megawatt. That means 100 gigawatt is the initial aim. So this is the extracted from MNRE, Ministry of New Renewable Energy. Everyone know there is a separate ministry for solar. So that Ministry of New Renewable Energy, that mission is launched in January 2010. The National Solar Mission was the first mission to be authorized under the National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAPCC. Using three-phase approach, the mission objective is to establish India as a global leader in solar energy by creating the policy conditioning for solar technology diffusion across the country as quickly as possible. The initial target of the mission is installed 20 gigawatt grid connection solar power plant by 2022. That initially government is aimed at 20 gigawatt. See, enhanced to 100 gigawatt. Here you see the potential available in the solar industry. Initially planned 20 gigawatt. Within the before completing the project, it is enhanced to 100 gigawatt. Not only that, by achieving the same target here. Not only this, you see, in 2015, the Government of India announced a target for 175 gigawatt cumulative renewable power installed capacity of year 2022. So, started at 20 gigawatt, it increased to 175. Nearby 80% is increased. So, renewable power installed capacity by the year 2022, that same year, it increased to 80%. The capacity of 85.90 gigawatt has been set up December 2019, constitution more than 23% of the total installed capacity. India has 4th and 5th global position in a wind solar power deployment respectively. Since 2013-14 till the December 2019, the renewable power deployment has more than doubled. So, renewable power deployment has more than doubled. Annually, more than 10 million man days employed in being created. So, you see that it started a mission of 2015, 2011, 10. It is 20 gigawatt. It increased 175 gigawatt. That obviously, that per year man employment also increased 10 million. So almost 10 lakhs people. Solar power capacity has increased by more than 14 times in the last 5 years from 2,630 to 337,505 megawatt in December 2019. Here there is a clear-cut evidence is available. What are the opportunities available in the solar industry? So let's see. India is signing the solar energy sector capacity by 2022 is 175 megawatt. Investment needed for solar energy sector is 12 lakhs crores. Dear team, this is the potential of solar industry. Within 2 years down the line, this industry is going to be at 12 lakhs crores. That much huge potential available. It is the right time to enter in the solar industry. I am not asking you to come and join. Next few years, the solar is going to be a very big thing. It is already started. It is a right time to enter. It is running in a slowly 10 kilometer speed. Once you enter in this system, that speed you can be continued. You will be in brand in this solar industry. So let's see. Introduction about the trainer. My name is Mohammed Mubarak. I'm a blogger and a YouTuber. I'm a digital marketer. Started my career at the age of 21. 5 years Eureka Forbes experience and 6 years Reliance. I got the experience and 7 years in plus years Kotak Mahindra. Hosted my first corporation training 2015. Worked with 10 brands. This is what Almi Solar company is incorporated 2015 with the production land in the name of Almi Production Land. So we are proud green energy promoter. This is our vision, mission and philosophy. We do quality service to the society. We offer independent power producer. We generator, independent power generator. So strong service, customer record. We build a strong service strategy for addressing customer requirement. We aim upcoming generation give the pure energy, pure society. So if you take any of the business, you need to start any of the business, you require a basic financial planning, marketing strategy, technical knowledge, production and services and infrastructure. So these are the 5 setup we need to plan. Then only we can start any of the business. You are going to start this entire setup. For example, our model is totally different. So these are the setup required minimum budget. We need to allocate a financial planning means we require minimum budget, a marketing strategy that also will spend some money. Technical knowledge we need to get. So our model is totally different. Normally traditional way of building the business, this is the method. We building the method. We will go after building our traditional method is after building all those things, then only finding the customer in the outside. How we build the model? We build the model. Initially, we find out the customer in doing of any of the marketing technique. We find out the customer. Then we will go and explain about the features, all those things. Then we will convert that prospect into customer. Then we will get some little bit of the money. Then we can start the business. It will take 3 to 6 months. But it is nothing to worry because we are not going to invest anything except our physical worker or any marketing strategy in a small investment. We are not going to dump any larger money. Because in solar industry, you are planning to dump, you start the distributorship and the dealership, all those things. Any of the company you want to take a distributorship, you need to spend 25 lakhs. Then after that, you need to spend the infrastructure, you need to spend employment, you need to invest stock, all those things. But here, we are not asking you to do all those things. We are asking to do take a simple marketing technique. Any of out of 37 marketing technique, you take in a single step. You can be in find out the prospect. You convert the prospect into customer. Then you get little bit of the money. Then you can start your own solar. That's what our system will function. Let me see. So we Almi Production Land with you. Are you aspire to a solar profession? I am asking a simple question. Are you threatened about the current energy scenario? Are you being pushed into ambulance? So just give the comments in this question, yes or no. I am waiting for that comments. I need everyone to give the comment. Yeah, very good. Yeah, great. Okay, yeah. Thank you, team. Thank you. Yeah. So we will go. Now, you are see solar customer. We will divide it into 2 types of customer. One is 10%, another one is 90%. So 10% customer will think about the society and green energy and this Antarctica period that iceberg melting, all those things will concern about the society. And another 90% of the people will concern about return on investment. What are the return on investment I'm going to get? Suppose I am investing in solar. These two types of people are available. We will see. So 10% of the people who consider environmental issue, let you see. This sound like you. Yeah, you will complete clarity the roadmap. Both the people, 10% of the people and 90% of the people, we will give the 100% complete clarity and roadmap. Become a solar expert. You will be learn about solar energy through live courses from comfort of your home in a classroom like environment. We are already build the classes in how to do the solar energy business without investment. We build the classes and 37 types of marketing technique, 27 types of business opportunity available in solar industry. Already we build all the classes. We recorded classes are available. Just you need to ready to go. Once you are going to be operate from your home or your laptop or your desktop, you can go for start immediately. You can launch. My yearly effort will give you as much as individual guideline possible. If I promise to give you great training in this webinar, do I have permission to take 10 minutes in the end of workshop to give you great offer that you can consider to train harder and get result faster? Are yes or no? You can comment thing. You can comment now. Yeah. Great. Okay. Yeah. Okay, team. Thank you. Thanks for your feedback. Now, why are we shifting solar energy? If you take a current energy scenario in India, total installed capacity of the all type of energy 356 gigawatt. Thermal alone 60%. Balance form of energy is 40%. The major fuel sources for thermal energy is coal. So out of 60%, we are depending on coal. If you take a coal are not by cultivating or not manufacturing anywhere. It is in a sediment. We can take back in the undermine. So, but these are the things we are taking in the same speed in mining. After 7 to 8 years down the line, there is no coal available in the mining because that everything will be extracted. That is what this calculation will say. So once that we need to look out alternative. This 60% of the electricity out of 56 gigawatt, we are depending nearby 200 gigawatt only on coal. That once the coal is everything, it is not available in a coal. We need to look out the alternative. So apart from that, another one major thing we are taking from the mine that is in a crude oil. So we are converting the crude oil into petrol and diesel. So in future, that same speed we are taking in a crude oil out, that another 10 years down the line, that also is not available in mining. So we need to look out the alternative. That is the reason only that every automobile industry is converting into electric vehicle, electric bike, electric car, electric buses, like that, because it is nowhere available feature in a crude oil. So we need to look out the alternative. That here there is an opportunity in the solar industry. How we can see it. So now that there are the available resources, solar, wind, tidal, electric, hydroelectric, nuclear gas, and biomass. These are the resources are available in nowadays. So if you take 60% in thermal energy, And the rest all those things, it is other wind 9%, nuclear 2%, hydel, solar 4%, thermal gas. Here there is a very big opportunity available. The replacing the thermal energy only for solar. If you can't increase the wind energy, because wind energy is the energy we need to be maintain the energy. That we need to be maintain that wind. Apart from that, there is a lot of service issues are there. That apart from that, there is a separate space there. That apart from that, there is a season where that wind is there. That time only it will function. So lot of worries are there in wind energy. But nuclear, you need you can easily understand. In Tamil Nadu, there is one nuclear plant is opened Kudangulam. In future, no one accepting in not any state will accept open the nuclear power plant, because there is not available in a proper disbursement in a waste management. It is waste management is not at all satisfied. For that reason, no one ready to take any nuclear plant in their state. So hydel, that also is in one type of traditional way. Then thermal gas and thermal oil. We need to look out where that potential is. We can increase double, triple. That only place is option is available. Solar energy. For that reason only started solar mission 20 gigawatt. It increased into 175 gigawatt. So this is the ALMI vision mission philosophy to empower the green energy, pursuing the ultimate energy efficient lighting, quality and a sustainable environment, energy saving environment friendly, carbon dioxide reducer. So 175 gigawatt is a solar 2022 that commissioned. 31.8 gigawatt is commissioned. Pipeline 25.3 gigawatt is commissioned. Cumulative 56.8 gigawatt. So in 2000 already only 50 to 60 gigawatt only that completed. In Tamil Nadu alone, out of 9 gigawatt 2023, there is commissioned only 3. That is, so 1/3 of the energy resources are depending on solar. So that is the reason this is the time to start up a new business in the solar sector. We can be developed like that major 175, that major resources are domestic, like the 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt. Lot of opportunities available in a domestic market. So why solar? Solar is the Latin word. Sun. Solar energy can be used to produce food, heat, light and electricity. So solar energy power from sun is free and inextractable. When sun is there, we can get the until that we have world last day, the sun will be there. So that sun will be there, we can generate the electricity. So it is in a endless technology. Solar panel are used in residential, commercial and industrial. We can do it with solar. We can do it any of the function. So resources are everlasting. No environment concern problem. Modular in nature. No transport wastage is not there. Tailor-made power generation. So solar energy is a noise and pollution free. Solar energy can also generated in the night with the help of photo switching. That is the technology is available now. India solar energy sector is established to grow the 25% year on year. Reduce dependence on fossil and fuel. Modularity and scalability. Government standard that minimum usage level of renewable energy. This is the very good opportunity available. This is the clear-cut example why we need to shift out the solar energy. Applications of solar energy, we can use the domestic and the commercial, street light, village and the town electrification, water pumping business, huge warehouses, small, medium ranges. We can do it with solar. We can do it. We can run a ship. We can run a flight. Whatever. Only thing we need to connect the serial of panels. So there is in a solar, 2 types of solar energy is there. With net meter, there is a system called on-grid system. With battery backup, it is called off-grid system. The two types of system is available. Of how the two system, how the net meter system will function, how the battery system will function. All these are the things we are recorded the video and we kept in our class. So you can go and understand entire system. So 90% of the people who consider the return on investment, here you see the another very big opportunity available in the solar industry. In 1977, that solar panel cost is $76. Now it reduced in 2015-16, it reduced 0.30 paisa. So that means that cost is solar power is per watt cost is reduced huge. So return on investment. If you consider you are keeping 1 lakh rupees in your pocket, you need to invest. What are the opportunities available? Normally, we will consider fixed deposit, recurring deposit, post office, national savings scheme, Kisan Vikas, insurance, gold, plot, check, mutual fund. Here, you take any of the opportunity except the shares and the mutual fund. This is the risk is also is available. Then other opportunities are not going to give 6 to 8%, more than 6 to 8% return on investment. Shares will give the return on investment more than 6%, but sometimes we lost the capital. We need to be strong enough. We need to be get good knowledge. Then only we can enter in a share and mutual fund industry. The real estate industry last 8 years, not even 5% growth is there. Gold, obviously, you know that the inflation rate. Based on the inflation rate only, that gold is increasing 3 to 4% because of the wastage, because of the GST, because of the making charges, all those things. That gold we can't get more than 3 to 4%. Here you see fixed deposit 6.5, senior citizen may 7%, 7.5, but land 5%, gold share. But how the solar opportunity, solar market is giving the highest return on investment, 16% return on investment is there in solar industry. So very big opportunities available. Return on investment 16% guaranteed return. Let me see how it will we can calculate the 16%. If you take 1 kilowatt, one day will generate 1 kilowatt 5 unit of the electricity. So 30 days 150 units. So per unit, if you take in Tamil Nadu, unit price is above 500, that unit price is 6 rupees. We are taking that consideration 6 rupees per unit. So 150 into 6, 900 rupees. 12 months we can save 10,800 rupees. We need to investment 75,000 rupees only our investment. So return on investment is 16% guaranteed return. So if you take a compounding interest, suppose you are depositing bank 1 lakh rupees, we can get 300, and after 365 days only we can get 6.5% or 7%. Here we put the solar this month, we can reduce our electricity bill from this month itself. That compounding interest we can consider, we will get 18% return on investment. So 3 kilowatt, if you take that same example, 3 kilowatt, 15 unit per day, 30 days per month, 450 unit, 6 rupees per unit, 2,700. 2,700 into 12 months, 32,400. So we can investment. Our investment is 2,25,000. Our return on investment is 16%. That same way we can get 18% return on investment. So here you see the panel return on investment. We can take back within a 5 years period. So 16% rate of interest we can take back. Even though buffering we can keep 6 years also, nothing wrong, because solar panel will work 25 years. We can get the energy 25 years. Here how much can get 1 kilowatt power? So it is the calculation basis we given. Typically 1 kilowatt setup 4.5 to 5 kilowatt. So 10 fans. So 5 hours will run. 12 tube light or 35 CFL bulb in 30 or 5 TVs in 5 hours will run. every house has this type of system will not available. We will having the system 2 to 3 fans, 2 to 3 tube lights, and 35 CFL bulbs, and 5 TVs. So we can't keep this. We will give 2 fans, 3 tube lights, 1 TV, or 5 CFL bulb. So we can basic requirement 1 kilowatt is enough. We are going for mixie, grinder, fridge. That 3 kilowatt is enough for domestic purpose. So 1 AC we can reduce. Suppose your EB bill is in 5,000 rupees, you can reduce your electricity bill 80%, investment of 2.7 lakhs. This is the domestic purpose. So here the opportunities in industry side, solar industries. Here there is a charging station, electronic vehicle charging station. It is a very big opportunity. In electronic vehicle charges, this initial cost is 1.2 crores to 1.4 crores, but the return on investment is per month we can get 1.5 lakhs, around 18 lakh rupees we can get per year. So if you think about a petrol bunk, anybody is approached 15 years before the government is ready to give the petrol bunk. Then that time whoever got the opportunity in keeping a petrol bunk, those people will get return on investment. This as on today also, every month minimum 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. That initial cost will be around 10 lakh to 12 lakh rupees. But now also every year those people are getting the return on investment is 12 to 18 lakhs. That is the opportunity available in electronic vehicle station. So it is not need that we need to invest to 1.2 crores. We can find out the customer. We can educate the customer. Return on investment is in 18%. That also another 30 years dominating industry. Why you should consider for investment? So who are giving the investing, who are considering the investment, we can get 10% as a margin. Any of the business can get the 10% margin for this one opportunity alone. That farmer application, normally that electricity is given a free of cost. That electricity is converting. I mean, if you take Tamil Nadu, that electricity is converting into solar. So in all the other states, Tamil Nadu alone 1 lakh water pump is going to be replaced. Already project is on. So entire India, there is more than 40 lakhs water pumps are there. So huge opportunity available in agriculture water pump. Bad land, uncultivated land. Any of the city place, any of the big shopping malls, and these are the people will pay the electricity bill around 15 to 20 lakhs per month. We can approach with one project. We can get around 40 to 50 lakh rupees with doing all the project work. This is the bad land, cultivated, uncultivated land. We need to approach and the power purchase agreement, the EB. Suppose if you take in Mumbai, there is one shopping mall is there. That any of the shopping mall. That shopping mall is paying the EB bill of 15 to 20 lakhs rupees per month. That your shopping mall, that is in a continuously paying, but it can't able to stop. That we can look at the approach the shopping mall. You can we can't put that upside that shopping mall. We can put solar. So we need to be approach those people. There is a system called the power purchase agreement. We can put solar in out of the city Mumbai. We can generate the power. We can give it to the EB. That EB will transfer from the where we are generating the power, and we can get it from Mumbai. The transport charges we need to be given to the EB department, a little bit amount. That within a 5 to 8 years period, we can take back our investment. Whatever our investment is we making, 1 megawatt approximately 4.5 crores will be there. So we can take back the investment maximum 8 year period. Another 17 years we can get free electricity. We need to educate those people. Those people will immediately go. So become a successful leader. So utilize the training and new investment for no more investment. Become a rich and a successful entrepreneur. So solar energy entrepreneur, respect obviously will be there. Build your network. professional environment, get time and money, give back to the society. So we build, you get online certificate after completing the training, you will get the certification, badge holders, money and name, rewards and recognition, all those things. The training part, we keep inverters, solar panels, batteries, operation and maintenance, production, marketing techniques, all those things we keep the recorded video inside. Once we have course, that course is an online course. This course cost is around, you see, before going the cost, here there is a very big, I told you 25 years warranty. Here that is India's largest solar panel manufacturing company is Waaree. That Waaree is giving 25 years output warranty. So, entrepreneurship, this kit, what are the things? Lifetime online update. We will give the lifetime update. We can the Facebook and we will discuss all the opportunities available in district wise, in state wise, in country wise, in the entire world. All those things we are going to discuss continuously in our page. So 37 marketing techniques, 27 types of opportunities, MSME training. This training will cost approximately the how to solar panel install. That training cost is around 8,600 rupees. But we are giving how to start the business. How to start solar energy business. We are giving the cost is 3,600 rupees. It is in a lifetime cost. It is a one-time payment. So if you take, you need to time to update. If you take HMT, Bajaj, Dynara, Nokia, these are the people. Initially they dominated the industry. Now no more, because not got the update. These are the people, Uber, Paytm, Zomato. These are the people keeping one small app. If you take Uber, world largest taxi service provider, but don't have any single taxi in his name. So if you take an OYO, large hotel booking app, but the OYO don't have any single room. If you take an Swiggy, Swiggy will challenge, that open challenge is the 2025. What are the lunch you need to take? We will decide. It is in an open challenge of Swiggy. That much confident in their business. But Swiggy don't have any kitchen. There is any kitchen room. So this is the model of the business. This is the change. So we need to consider about the digital. So digital industry is going to be a dominator. So this is the right time. The teaching education system is everything. It's nowadays is in online. So this is the our offline sections. Little bit. These are the sections we take at this. So this is our some of the customer installation part. So with this we are going to end. So now we are sending the payment link to the this link. So we are going to Google Pay and this payment gateway. So which one is comfortable for you? You can ready to go.